Hello everyone, I am going to share with you this, something a little bit different. I don't always make these the way that they say to make them. I'm just trying to find the name of this. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the Close to My Heart Craft with Heart kit. This is made August 2020. So the kits, you get the 4 months. This is not part of it. This is a layout that I was trying to create the other day that just, it's still partially done. So we'll work on that later. This is a 4 month at a time kit from Close to My Heart, and it's one of their cut above layout kits. So what it comes with, you get 4 packages of product. It comes packaged together, and then you get the instructions for each one. You also, I don't know if you get this every month, but I've been getting them every month, get a code for 30 photographs from Persnickety Prints, which they have amazing photo print quality if you're interested in that, if you want to look them up. I'm not going to share the code with you because you need to purchase the kit to be able to get it. And then it came with this card in this month. I don't know if they all come with a card like this. I don't really remember. This is my 3rd one that I've gotten. They're really fun. I like them. It's just something a little bit different to give, you know, just something a little bit different. So this is May's kit. I will be filming how I put it together, but this is what it will look like when it is finished. I have not looked at these yet. I just got it today. It was delivered by FedEx. And they do come with page protectors and photo placeholders if you don't have pictures to go with them. Now this one, I probably won't use the way that it said because I don't have children. A little bit of an issue for a lot of these kits. A lot of times the other issue I run into is that I don't make 12 by 12 or double page layouts a lot. So this is the June one. So it has ladybugs and flowers and sunshine. And usually when you see like this, paper like this will be printed onto the pattern paper, so you don't have to piece that together. That's typically how it is. I don't know if this one will be like that, but typically that's how it is. This is July's kit. Hopefully this is not a super patriotic one. It doesn't look like it because I am not American, so I don't celebrate the 4th of July. So this one's just really simple. Again, these polka dots will probably be printed on the background of the paper itself. And the last one is August. Now, I will try my very best to put these together on camera. Oh, this one's very blue. Very blue. But I make no guarantees that it will happen. But anyways, I will try my best. So that is what comes in it. You need very few extras. This says you need 3D foam tape and a journaling pen, as well as the kit. So, I mean, they give you everything you need to make the 2 double page layouts for each month. So I like it. It's something different, especially if I go to a crop or I'm, you know, scrapbooking at my dining room table. I will typically grab one of these and bring it up with me and put it all together up there. Usually you don't have to cut the patterned paper, like it's just all done for you. Like there's these here are punched out shapes, like die cut shapes that you punch out of the paper, and then you layer them up like this, the way that it shows you. So it's really interesting. I like it a lot. I will link down below to where you can purchase it if you are interested in it also. There are different options, like different subscription options, so you can buy like one at a time, so you get the May to August month's worth, or you can buy like the 6 month, I think it's 6 months, essentially like a half a year, so you get 2 out of the 4, or you can get what I did, and I got all 4 different deliveries. The one thing I will say is, I mean, you can look it up and decide for yourself, but if you do go with the yearly one, the shipping is really, really good. I live in Canada. These ship from the US. I'm from Utah, and it ships really fast. This shipped on Friday, and today is Monday, and I have it in my hands already. So shipping is really fast on these kits. Shipping from the normal Close to My Heart product does take considerably longer. I ordered something over a week ago, and I don't believe it has actually shipped yet. So it's up to you. If you do order the full year version like I did, you will save a bit of money on the individual, like per kit cost, as well as the shipping cost. So I mean, it's completely up to you. You have to decide what works best for you and your situation. And even if this is something that you would enjoy getting every month, for a long time, I resisted this because I'm going to be honest, it's not my style. Like, this is very plain for me. I will go in and add more stuff that matches this to spruce it up a bit. Potentially not this one, because it is pretty busy. This one I will probably use them as single page layouts. So what I would do is add a title in somewhere, and probably journaling here. And the other thing I often do is I push my photos together. So instead of having them spaced out, I will put them together in a grouping. But I mean, it's like anything else. You have to decide what you want in your albums. So that is my little share with you. I'm just sharing very quickly this kit, and I am going to work on putting these together. Potentially not at this specific moment, because I am recording this on May 4th. If you are a Star Wars fan, you will know that May 4th is an important day for Star Wars. So that being said, I have some Star Wars photos that I'm going to go scrapbook so I can put that video up today. So thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you very soon with more videos. Bye-bye.